edit then again.
Yeah, I'll do that. No issue.
Forgotten. What?
Go ahead, sir. Suresh sir, you can go ahead. Thank you.
Unmute, sir.
Unmute yourself, Suresh.
We can't hear you. Suresh sir, we can't hear you.
Unmute.
No, we can't hear you. Yeah. Thank you. Thank you very much.
Right. I think you should be able to hear me now.
Yeah.
Yes,
Thank
sir.
you.
That's wonderful, sir. Shall we start?
Yeah, please
thank
go
you
ahead.
very much for the introduction, Pradeep Shetty, sir. In fact, our association has been less than a month, and I should say that you have taken the challenge or the trust in me and giving me this opportunity, for which I'm thankful for you. Yeah, coming down the aspect, I just want to give a short introduction about me, other than the other factors what you talked about it. I have represented a state in athletics and hockey for Tamil Nadu and the Madras University. That has been my success side, and which has also made me have a lot of challenges in life. First and the foremost thing, what exactly I wanted to highlight is, it's not bed of roses my path has been. Because I was too much focused on NCC, I was focused on sports and other aspects. I never used to regularly attend all the classes. And in fact, I studied in Loyola College, Chennai. My physics professor used to ask me when I entered the class, oh, today you don't have NCC, today you don't have sports, you don't have athletics, you don't have anything. Sometimes I hide my mark sheet so that my kids don't see that. But thanks to life and my quest for learning, it had made me to just make it. That's one thing I wanted to highlight. It's nothing to do with grades. Life is not confined to your university grades. That's what I wanted to highlight about it. The second aspect I want to highlight is, my father used to give me 3 rupees way back in 1979-80 every day. 3 rupees was a big money at that time. What exactly happened? One day, he told me that he was having some difficulty. Suddenly, when I asked, Papa, today your my quota of 3 rupees. He said, what quota? What are you talking about, quota? Then he said, you go and work and earn the 3 rupees. Then only you will know the value of it. And believe me, I was a very stubborn guy. I don't know. I was a highly dominant guy. So what exactly I did, I went to my friend's house, who was a businessman, who was in the mosaic tiles business. I said, I will work in the evening, and every day I was working 4 hours in the night. I was just cheating my father, telling that I am doing my joint study with him, and I was earning. At the end of the week, I earned 13 rupees. But I knew the difficulty of earning each and every rupee, and I thank my father for bringing out that particular side of me, which made me to realize how important earning is and how important saving is, which I would like to really, which is what I would love to share to the younger generation people. Because today, many of the people being a single parent or only one child, they pamper the child. But my father was pampering me at the same time. He was very strict, and he made me realize the value of money, for which I am thankful today. He is in Coimbatore, he is 89, but still I take the opportunity to thank him. See, another aspect which is very important is to not carry the burden of bad feelings, is something which I learned of late, particularly during the COVID time. I and my father, in spite of the very close relationship which we had a fight when there was a partition of the property that was happening. My great-grandfather was a Rao Bahadur, and he was the first
Sir, we can't hear you. Ramratnan, sir.
Network problem, network.
Yeah, maybe there is some network issue.
Yeah, my grandfather was in military. He used to say that, don't bother. It's with whom you are, not how you are. That is more important. And that is something which I really make it out. So values are something which I carry thanks to my father and grandfather, which I really cherish about. And right from my third year of my child, what I used to do is I used to take the child to the nearby shop, grocery shop, and when it wants to buy a chocolate or something, sir, I will do a small request. Can we mute your videos because I think the bandwidth is slightly getting disturbed. If it is okay, you can.
Yeah, we will do that. We will do that.
My video, let me have it because I would like to make it. See, what exactly happened was I used to take my kid when they were 3 years and 5 years and give them the money. And I used to go and ask them to buy whatever they wanted and give back the change. And the shopkeeper used to tell, what is that? You are giving a 10 rupee note to a 3-year-old child. I said, doesn't matter. Let him know that this is what can give him this chocolate or biscuit or whatever it is. And he is expected to return back the change carefully back to me. And I'll tell you, that has made a big change in my kid's life, which I still cherish right now. Am I audible? Here it says low quality audio.
Yeah, yeah, we can hear you. We can hear you, sir.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
So these are some of the other side of mine, which I thought I will share with them. See, I had, I was one person who used to cycle and work. Then in my later stages, I had a chauffeur-driven car. And I used to fly to various places to give my training. So I always say that you need to be prepared to move on walking and cycling. And at the same time, you should also have the luxury of staying in a 5-star hotel or fly and make it. And that's what make you a wholesome guy and who would make a better individual. And that's something I thought I will share with you about a little bit of the other facet of mine. Okay. I'm sure many of you, since there are only 3-4 people, everyone knows about the difference between group and team. You all know that all teams are group, but not all groups are team. Yeah, I would like to request someone to unmute and talk about their definition of group and team. What do you
Shall
like?
I, Mr. Suresh?
Yes, sir.
This is what my understanding. I don't want to be a member of a group. I always proudly said I'm a member of a team, because group means, if I call few names, okay, LTTE group, Lashkar Qaeda group, all Al-Qaeda group is there, whereas team is different. Group does a destructive purpose. They're also leader, they're also training will be there, everything will be there. The purpose of the group is different, whereas team, T-E-A-M, together everybody achieves more. Team does a constructive purpose.
That's
so
wonderful.
That way I understand. Thank you.
Thank you. Anyone else? Narendra Naik, sir, would you like to give your definition about a group and team?
Group is without a goal, I think.
Yeah.
And team is the one which is fighting for a goal together.
Sir, group can also have a goal. For example, 50 people going on a tour to Sabarimala or to Shirdi Sai Baba temple. They also have a goal that they want to visit a temple. They are all together. That's why they are a group. So sometimes even a group has got a goal. But the only aspect is they don't have a commonality between them. There is no common interest between them. Each one have their own interest. Each one have their own purpose. And that is what is one difference that can be there.
Team's goal is different.
Huh?
Team's goal is different.
Exactly, sir. Exactly, sir. I agree with you, sir. But group also may have a goal. That's what the only thing I want to highlight about it.
Yes,
right.
Correct. You're right.
Right. So thank you very much, sir. Sir, usually when it comes to team, people always say that forget about I, talk about we. I'm sure all of you are trainers and many of you know that the moment you take a session on training on team, we always say that team means it's always we, never use the word I. Today I'm going to give a different dimension to it. I would like to say I is very important in a team. Let me also substantiate it with several factors, which I hope at the end of the thing you can go for a discussion. See, even though I am an individual, I have never been alone. I've been a part of a team. Because my father and mother is responsible for me to come into the life, I have several cells, tissues, and organs which makes me as one individual. I am existing and surviving because of several things. That is what makes it out. It's not just I am as an individual making it out things. Many aspects makes me as who I am. For example, I am dependent on several people around me for my existence. So even though I can be an individual, I am also part of a team, which is right from the beginning. In fact, if you just look into it, this is where the Shiva Shakti thing comes into the fold about it. Let me also just go about to add a little other dimension. As Ronaldinho, as you know, that very famous footballer, he says that I am what I am thanks to my father, my mother, my brother, my sister, because they have given me everything. The education is thanks to them. Believe me, you can never, no man is an island and no one can be without being a team, but you are a very important integral part of the team. That's what we want to make it out. As Martin Luther King also highlights, if a man is called as a street sweeper, he should sweep the streets. So ideal, like Michelangelo painted or Beethoven composed his music, or Shakespeare. That means you have to be the best and the team. If you are a team player, be the best. I still remember the 175 not out of Kapil Dev. How many of you remember that 175 not out of Kapil Dev in the World Cup?
Against Zimbabwe.
Yes, yes.
Yes.
Yeah, against Zimbabwe.
Yes.
Yes, it was an individual play, but it was for a team cause. So it's an individual who makes a difference. That's what I wanted to highlight. Though you are a part of the team, you are an integral part and you are a responsible part of a team. And here I want to highlight, I am the beginning of the team, I am the end of the team, and everything in the team revolves around me. Is it with ego I am talking about it? No.
No, no.
It's not about ego. I would like to say it's because I am 100% committed that I am a team player. It's not because I'm egoistic. It's not because I'm arrogant. It's not because I'm autocratic or dominant. Believe me, it is because I'm responsible. It's because I'm accountable. It is because I take the initiative. When you say I with the egoistic aspect, let me tell you, you are working as an independent guy. And history has very clearly proved greatest leaders, tyrants who have worked for self-interest, their end has been very bad. Whether it is Osama bin Laden or Hitler or what is this guy, Cuban
Castro, Fidel Castro.
Fidel Castro. Fidel Castro.
The other thing, if you look into it in Arab country, the guy who used to have a female army and ultimately he died in a cave. I'm not immediately getting the name. So if you look into it, history always treated selfish guys the way it is. They were put to death alone. See, though LTT, if you look into it, the death of the leader of the LTT was very pathetic, right? All these people. On to the contrary, if you are a responsible guy, if you believe in interdependent state, even if you play a thing, you will be always respected. Whether it's Mahatma Gandhi or whether it's Mother Teresa, they have been individuals but they made a big difference. They don't align themselves with any party, but they made a difference because they know that they can make a difference. And that's what I wanted to highlight when I talk about. It may be charity, missionary of charity for which Mother Teresa was heading, but it is Teresa who made the difference. Mahatma Gandhi could have led a lot of people who have been fighting for independence of this nation, but Mahatma Gandhi, an individual, made a big difference. That's what I wanted to highlight when I say I am the team. Okay, here is something which some of you will be knowing, but still I would like to play this video.
घर पे अंकल आंटी जी कैसे हैं? कैसे ही होंगे यार? पापा ने नौकरी चली गई है, छुट्टी कह के भेजा थी, वापस बुलाया नहीं। चल छाड़। अमृतसर कैसा है? सब सेम ही है यार। पता नहीं लोग कैसे घर चला रहे हैं पूजा। और डेरी ते सब ठीक है? एक मिनट होल्ड कर। अच्छा चल, मैं तेनू बाद में कॉल करनी है। ठीक है, तू ख्याल रख अपना। पूजा मिल्क सेंटर को वर्कर्स की जरूरत है। अगर आप किसी को जानते हैं जिसकी हाल ही में नौकरी गई हो तो हमसे मिलने जरूर भेजें। दीदी, दीदी, एक मिनट आना। क्यों है? यहाँ की है। हाँ जरूरत है मैं वर्कर्स की। टीम ही नहीं संभाल रहे हैं पहले। पापा की कहते से पप्पू भूल गए? कुछ ऐसा बड़ा काम करो कि दुकान छोटी पड़ जाए। दीदी लेकिन उनका मतलब कस्टमर से था। तो सोया खा। साजी सोया बढ़िया बना है। मैं पंछियां देखता हूँ लाके। अच्छी पहले क्या काम करते थे? जी मैं क्लब में। आप दोनों साथ हो? मैं जी में कारपेंटर। ये मिल्क सेंटर है। रोज सवेरे 3 बजे आना। ठीक है? आज छोटू इनको ऊपर लेके जा। हाँ जी आप? दीदी, तो नौकरी के बारे में पढ़ा था। आजो जी आजो। 3 बजे। चलो भाई। साजी, ये सब आपके हवाले है। दीदी यहाँ इसमें आप नहीं करेंगे क्या? वो करा लेंगे कुछ। ओ दीदी, हाँ जी भैया क्या चाहिए? क्या चाहिए? ओए तू कौन है? जी मैं टिड्डा, न्यू मैनेजर। आप कौन? मैं कौन? दादा नु। बाजी एक मिनट। कौन हो आप लोग? आप क्या काम करते हैं? जी मैं टेलरिंग का काम करता था। अच्छा टेलर बाजी, आप किसी ड्राइवर मैकेनिक को बिठाते हो? नहीं मैं कह रहा उनको भी ले आना। दादी वन मोर। हेलो आंटी जी स्वागत है। यार दसो जी पनीर कितना कराने? वो आ की है पनीर आंटी जी बड़ा चंगा पनीर है। मैंने एक रख अपना पनीर पे रख दे ही नहीं मैं कितो और ले लेनी है। अरे आंटी क्वालिटी की है तुम्हारी। हां मम्मी। सॉरी दीदी वो उस्ताद जी नहीं थे तो नया काम सीखने में थोड़ा टाइम तो लगता है ना। कोई नहीं।
Hello?
Yes.
Thank you, sir. Very nice clip. Which is this movie, if you can let us know?
Thanks to Mr. Once again, I'll make it out.
Yeah.
आजा बब्बू। स्माइल कर दे बेबी। चलो ना यार। तेरा पुत्र तेरा। पूजा दीदी। वेरी गुड। वो देखो देखो पूजा। पूजा।
बाजार में एक छोटी जी दुकान, इसको चलाती भी एक छोटी जी लड़की है, फिर भी हम सब उनको दीदी कहते हैं। जानते हो क्यों? क्योंकि जब सारी दुनिया लोगों को नौकरी से निकाल रही थी तो उन्होंने हमको नौकरी दी। दुकान में इतने बंदों की जरूरत नहीं थी, फिर भी उन्होंने हमको काम दिया। यहाँ तक कि हमारा पेट भरने के लिए उन्होंने अपनी गड्डी भी बेच दी। सिर्फ एक बड़ी बहन ही आपको इतनी हिम्मत और हौसला दे सकती है। आप सब भी यहाँ पर आइए, उन्हें हिम्मत दीजिए और उनका हौसला बताइए। पूजा मिल्क सेंटर, याद रखना।
दीदी सच में छोटी तय की दुकान।
Yeah. Now, I'm sure you would have seen this particular video. How many of you have earlier seen this video? I don't know. There is something where you'll find that one person taking an initiative to make a difference. Yeah. You wanted to say something, Pradeep?
Yeah. Which is this movie? I've never seen this. It was very nice.
Yeah. It was an ad from Facebook. And it was shared actually during one of our training program by Mr. Arun. So it was very nice. So I thought it would be very ideal and apt at this particular aspect. When pandemic is there and everyone are firing, this was something.
Yes, she's hiring.
And it made all the difference. Why I say is it's individual who make the difference. It's not about society. It's not about the team. That's what we want to highlight. Okay, now we come down to an activity which I just want to make it out in view of time constraint. Can I request someone to read this, please? Can any one of you take the initiative to read this, please?
Yeah.
Even though my typewriter is an old model, it was quite well, except for not one of these keys. I have wished many times that it worked perfectly. It is true that there are 46 keys to function, and but it's just one key not working makes the difference. Sometimes it seems to me that certain of our members are somewhat like my typewriter. Not all this key proper or working properly. You may say to yourself, well, I'm only one person. I won't make or break that organization. But I do make my difference, because an organization to be effective need the activity participation of every member. So this next time you think you are only one person and that your efforts are needed, remember my typewriter and I say yourself, I am a key person in the organization and I am needed. Okay.
Thank you very much, Shantakrishnan.
Wow. Great, sir.
Thank you very much.
Very nice. Very nice.
In this,
this is how, permit me, Mr. Suresh, actually we used to put this in the training program, and we think that everything should be in position, then only things will be all right. But this proves the ability of the brain to read. The first and last letters are kept in position, you are able to read it.
Yeah.
Wow.
Thank you for the opportunity. Thank you.
To talk about leadership, one man, we feel that in a team, one person going wrong, but every person makes a difference. Otherwise, look at that E is missing and that E is typed as X. Look at how the whole passage has become very bad, right? So that's where we say that each individual play a very key role in our life. And that's why I wanted to highlight about I make the difference. I make everything in my team. If I have that particular sense, I'll tell you, I'll give 100% of my commitment, whether to my individual work or to the family or to the society or to the country or to the university. And that's what you are going to look into it in the subsequent slides. See, I and my family is a team. As Lisa Weeks says, being a family means you are a part of something very wonderful. It means you love and be loved for the rest of the life. See, how many of you have seen a movie called as Shakti by Dilip Kumar and Amitabh Bachchan, I don't know. In case of Kannada, it was in Kadamba, and in Tamil, it was Thanga Padakam. How many of you remember that movie? It's about a strict police
Tamil, I
officer.
remember Thanga Padakam.
Huh? It's
Yeah,
about
Shakti
Thanga
Veer.
Padakam, I have
police
seen Tamil.
officer. He wants to live his ideals and values, but what exactly happens? Ultimately, his family is shattered. He may get a gold medal. He may get every laurels, but his life is empty. What is crores of rupees if your own family members are not with you? They don't respect you, and ultimately you lose every one of them. So when I say I am a part of a family, am I responsible for taking care of each and every one is something which I need to look into. It is what I want to highlight about. And the background you see in Mizoram, the biggest family that is there, which is actually the biggest family in India. I still remember when I was a young guy.
Oh my God.
4 years.
Good evening.
We used to have a very big family.
Good evening.
Yes, I sir.
Good evening. Good evening. Good evening. Amrit Raj. Good evening.
Yeah, shall I?
I think some network issue there, sir.
Myself?
No, Amrit Raj, sir.
Amrit Raj. Okay.
Yeah. Continue, Suresh sir. Continue.
Yeah. So the basic thing, if you look into it, the big family what you have the values slowly lost.
No, see, you because email got
We are a
freezed.
nuclear family, husband, wife, and one kid.
Service now.
And
It is very slow moment.
on the values of
Is it
relationship.
okay now? Yeah,
And
now it's fine.
that
Okay, fine.
you as a parent
Network issues,
have got
that's
a
what
very
he said.
important role, or you have a good son have got an important role. Otherwise, what exactly happen? You will find more and more old age homes that's happening.
You are NLP training,
Right?
right?
Pradeep, why don't you mute everybody?
Huh?
Emotion.
I'm sure you will know this guy. Who is he?
Alibaba.
Jack Ma.
Jack Ma.
Jack Ma, Alibaba's founder.
Yeah.
But do you know
Alibaba.
what's the sad state?
Yeah.
Today he suffers from anal cancer. His wife suffers with cervical cancer. His son died, and his daughter is having breast cancer. The whole family is in cancer, and he really pleads for good health. He says that the whole family is lost. What is the point in earning billions and billions of rupees? And similarly, I have seen in Bangalore another very sad state that happens. That is, elderly people. They are all very rich. Their kids are there in USA, but they have put them in old age home. And they have to live with old age people, and they have to get satisfied with it. And what is the point of us calling life? Believe me, gentlemen, if we are not responsible of building a family value in ourselves and about people, I think we are missing out a great lesson for the future generation, because the future generation has to be learned this value. I am a part of a family. And for me, family comes first and later me. That's what is one of the important things which we need to make it out. But today, it's the other way around.
Yes, sir.
The third aspect which I just want to highlight is about I and my society as a team. Do I have to play a very important role? Yes. Look at this person. She's an individual. She's sweeping the road. But imagine if she doesn't come for 1 week. What will happen to the society? What will happen to the area? Look at this man who is actually a guy who gets into the sewage and cleans it. We don't respect him. We don't respect him as an individual. But if 1 week they are not there, we will blame the corporate.
Sir, we can't hear you.
मुझे लगा कि अभी वो उठ के चले जाएंगे। मैं जाने वाली थी, मैं वहाँ पे रुकने वाली नहीं थी, लेकिन ऐसे चाय आधा छोड़ के जाना भी इंसल्टिंग लगता है ना। इस तरह का इंश्योरेंस लेना चाहिए। हेल्थ इंश्योरेंस लेना चाहिए ये मेरी लाइन की वजह से। अचानक से जब उसका ये क्वेश्चन आया तो मुझे भी लगा कि शायद मैंने जो उसको बोला वो उसको बुरा लगा होगा शायद। मोस्ट ऑफ लोगों को तो हमारा स्टाइल है कि पता चल जाता है कि मैं कॉल कर रहा हूँ, पता नहीं चला क्या। पता तो चला, लेकिन इसमें ऐसे इस टाइप का कोई किस तरह का इंश्योरेंस लेना चाहिए मेरी लड़की के लिए। बेटी है आपकी? जी हाँ, 12 साल की सुवर्णा। ओके, ये देखिए सुवर्णा कैसी लग रही है? हाँ, बहुत प्यारी है उसकी बेटी, मेरी प्राची की जैसी। ऐसे नॉर्मली कॉल कर कोई बोलती तो शायद मैं नहीं बात कर पाती उससे, लेकिन जब बात की तो पता चला कि वो भी मेरी जैसी वर्किंग वूमन है। और जैसे मुझे मेरी बेटी के एग्जाम की टेंशन रहती है, वैसे उसको भी उसकी बेटी के एग्जाम की टेंशन।
So, I'm sure you would have seen a lot of people whom we belittle, but there is something behind them. There is some sadness. There is some hard work. There is something which makes their life miserable. But you cannot just let that throw them out, because society is essential because of all these people. And the only aspect which we should start working it out is, do you respect your fellow individuals as much as who you are? The day you start making it out, I'll tell you, you become a team player. Why? It is no botheration for you what they do. It is only an individual life, and I need to respect that. And that's what makes society survive, world survive, and harmony and peace exist. And that's what I wanted to highlight about when I say I am the most important integral part of society. See, individuals play a very key role. Whether it's Ratan Tata or Narayan Murthy, who have his business, but he wants to build up a great fortune for himself. Actually, he works for himself. But what exactly the reality is that he is giving job for thousands of people. The chai wala, he may look a very ordinary guy, but he is there to serve on a cold winter day. Walk out on the street, you will really long for a chai. You will find that a street sweeper, if the whole area is dirty, then you will know the value of that street sweeper. If the whole sewage gets blocked, you are frantic for that sewage cleaner, right? So there is nothing small or big. Yeah, economically some are better, economically some are poor, but everyone are God's creature, and that's what makes the life different. And that's what I wanted to highlight, that are you respecting your fellow being as a social responsible individual? The day you do that, you are a team player in this world, you are a team player in the society, and you can make a change in the society. I'm a member of Rotary. As I told you, I'm proud of it. I'm a member of several other organizations. Yes, we work for the betterment, but that doesn't mean we belittle those who are doing whatever the profession they are. Whether they are a prostitute, whether they are eunuch, whether they are sewage workers, they also have an important role to play in the society. And without them, the society cannot survive. Right. I hope you're getting this message very clear. So I know what is the role I play. I am an individual. I have a role to play as an individual. I know I am a family man. I have a role to play as a family man. I am a part of the society, and I have to take care of the society. And that's where my responsibility comes. That's what Maslow's theory of hierarchy of needs talks about. At the lower level, when it comes to me, it's all about biological and physiological requirements of safety. But the moment you want love, it cannot be always self-love. You need someone else, which is automatically means you have to be a team player to be loved. You have to love someone to be loved. You cannot be a lonely guy. No tree can be lonely so that it becomes a thing. A lot of trees only join together becomes a forest. And as you move up on the Maslow's hierarchy, you will find that your self-esteem comes when you are recognized, which means you are recognized not by yourself, by others around you, which means if you want to move up on Maslow's hierarchy, naturally you have to be a team player. And your self-actualization comes when you are living a full potential, which means you make a difference in the whole world. And that's why you'll find that you need to be clear about the importance of you as a team player. And that's what we wanted to highlight about. Right. The next aspect which we come down is connected with the country. I am part of this country. I'm proud of being an Indian. I'm proud that I am a guy who is looking at the Indian flag, sacrificing their life for the sake of country. And do you know one thing? In this country, only a soldier is draped with the Indian flag, other than the Prime Minister, President. There are only few people who will be draped with the Indian flag. Either you should be a Bharat Ratna, you should be a president, or you will have to be a prime minister, or you will be a soldier. So this guy actually makes a difference. He is an individual, but he is making a difference to the country. And that's why the whole world comes for his funeral. Do you know that when an army soldier dies and he is brought to the village, even the district collector or the first official of the district, all should be present there to pay the last rites. And the police in that local area comes and they make the final bugle and play the ersing. They make a 21 gun salute. No one gets that. Not an MLA, not an MP, but only a soldier, a very ordinary soldier who we think it's a very ordinary guy, but he makes it a big difference because he is protecting your country. And do you look at it in the same way when you are functioning as an individual? You may do any job. It doesn't matter what job you are doing. Do you have pride that I am working for the development of this country? Like Pradeep is an IT guy. When he is doing some project for his company, for a US client, do you know that you are getting a lot of foreign currency investments? And that's one way why India has become a better country today. Right? Look at this. A wrong example. What will happen?
Hello, madam, personal guide. Very cheap madam. क्यों बदतमीजी कर रहे हो? मेरी क्या बहन लगती है? नहीं, मेहमान लगती है। तुम्हारी भी। और आप सब कैसे इंसान हैं? ये बदमाश देश का नाम, देश की इज्जत मिट्टी में मिला रहे हैं। और आप सब खड़े खड़े देख रहे हैं? और ये सिर्फ देश के मेहमान नहीं, आपकी आमदनी भी इन्हीं के जेब से आती है। नाखुश होके जाएंगे तो फिर लौट के नहीं आएंगे। फिर क्या खाएंगे और क्या कमाएंगे आप? अरे बस तो तुझे आज हम कराएंगे। इस देश में आने वाला हर इंसान हमारा मेहमान है। करो मेहमानों की हिफाजत तो मिलेगी देश को इज्जत। आपको पता है, आगे बढ़ो, विरोध करो।
So you may play any role, but you have got a responsible role as an Indian. And look at this. When you just make a great one.
देश का सर गर्व से ऊंचा करें। अतिथि।
So friends, whatever your action is it making the world look at you as a proud Indian? Whatever role you play, you need to play it so well that the world looks at you with pride and also start loving India. And that is exactly where you also play a role as an individual and also as a countryman. I can just go on about it, but in view of time, I'm just cutting short of this particular aspect. And lastly, I also become a man who is responsible for the universe. Someone gifted me this universe. My forefathers, my great-grandfather, several centuries back, some people planted trees, made rivers, dams, everything, because of which today I am enjoying my life. What I'm going to leave for my kids, for my future generation. If I'm not there, then I'm not a team player. And that's exactly what it is. Do you look at the top like there and plant trees, or you're going to make a garbage in your place? All that matters about what you're going to give as a gift to the universe, give a gift to the future generation. And that's exactly what makes all the difference. So you may be an individual player, but let me also tell you, you are part of this universe. The universe is listening to you. The energy, the solar energy, the cosmic energy, the electromagnetic energy, everything is there with you. And the earth, the mother earth, which has given you everything, needs to be protected. And you have to play a very important role. Today, we have something called the tree plantation drive. I'll tell you, I run a school, nursery and primary school, and on the birthdays, instead of giving chocolates, I tell them at least plant a tree in your name and you water it. And let me tell you, at the end of the 5 years, the kids, when they go, they have planted 5 trees. And they are very happy when they come back because they
Excellent.
know that this 5 trees is my contribution to the society. If everyone decides about it, imagine how the country will be, how the universe will be. On to the contrary, if we start using non-degradable stuff like plastic, what is that we are going to leave it for the future? The future is going to curse you. And they are going to say that you have been an irresponsible guy. It doesn't matter what you are, where you are, whether you are living in Pune or you are living in Bangalore or you are living in Tamil Nadu or any other place. But remember, you make a difference to the universe by what you do. It has got nothing to do with team. It is all about you, who is playing the fulcrum and becoming the whole universe as your team and taking responsibility. And that's what I wanted to highlight about. You play a role as an individual, you play a role as a family man, you play a role as a society area, you play a role as a part of this country, and you play a role as a part of the universe. So that what makes you more important. Do not shun your responsibility. We all have learned about the story of anybody, somebody, nobody, and everybody. Correct? You all know that?
Yes, sir.
There was a job that is supposed to be done by
somebody.
And nobody did. Everybody could have done it. And that is exactly what is the status. Only when you take accountability, when you take responsibility, you become a part of a team, you become a performer, and you can make a difference and provide the purpose of your life. So gentlemen, if it comes to I or we, it starts with I. I will take the lead. I will take the initiative. I will make a difference so that the team becomes stronger, the team becomes lovely, the team becomes enjoyable, and there is results that is seen. So with that, I just take the opportunity to close this particular session if there is no other questions that is there. I hope we have sticked on to the time. which we decided
Yeah,
upon.
we have sticked on to the time, sir. Thank you very much. Can you stop presenting, sir? So that if we have any questions, Narendra Naik sir and Raja sir, can you please go ahead and ask if you have any questions with sir?
We always say team means forget about I, always think about you, and always think about we.
Yeah, exactly.
I wanted
Exactly.
to say that it's not that I.
But otherwise, your that advertisement clips, Brook Pond and other hotels.
Red Label. Red Label.
Beautiful.
Yes,
really,
it was very nice.
Used very nicely. It is used, and it really created an impact on us.
Yes, sir.
Very nicely presented, Suresh.
Thank you, sir.
Hats off to you. Thank you.
Thank you very much. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thanks a lot. We have to attend one more. Pradeep, please excuse me.
Yeah.
I'm going.
That's fine. That's fine. We all will, disperse. That's fine. I really appreciate. Yeah.
Pradeep will excuse everybody and excuse himself also because he has to be there.
Yes,
he has to be there.
Sure. Yeah, I'll also be joining Sachin Kamath's program right now.
Yes, sir.
So thank you very much, Suresh sir. It's been a very great presentation, and really thank you. Even though being so busy from your busy schedule and being into such great position, and you still got sufficient time for all of us looking into that, and even you shortened the the span of the presentation and everything. It is really nice, and we are all thankful to you from the Mindset Club for Success. And as I told you, just one point, next month, if you can just, we can have a meeting where you can talk about your wellness, which you are really master in regarding the Ayurveda and everything. I think that will help all our participants and also my viewers across the YouTube channel and various social media. So I request you can just plan for that maybe in February or so. Okay. So thank you very much, sir. Yeah. We're all thankful to you, and let's join the session for Sachin Kamath, sir. Okay. Thank you. Bye-bye. Bye, everybody. Thank you, Narendra, sir. Thank you, Raja, sir. Bye-bye.